If a human being have some essence, that essence is his existence, or his essence arises from his existence. Existence is understood in an absolutely actualistic way. It is not something that already is, but rather it creates itself in freedom. It becomes. A being is through its being directed toward being itself. Guilt of consciousness is the foundation of nothingness. With the I, ego, care is expressed, but when someone constantly shouts I and I, it means deep down they are not truly themselves. Temporality, the meaning of care, and consequently the meaning of existence. True being is transcendence, and transcendence is metaphysical objectivity. True being is transcendence, and transcendence is metaphysical objectivity.